Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook without electricity. We will explore several practical methods for preparing delicious meals when your power is out, ensuring you can still enjoy warm food. You'll learn about essential equipment, from portable stoves to solar ovens, and discover how to safely manage different heat sources. We'll cover both outdoor and indoor options, providing you with versatile solutions for any situation. Get ready to become a confident off-grid chef. When cooking outdoors, you have several excellent choices. A rocket stove is incredibly efficient, using small amounts of wood or twigs to generate intense heat for boiling water or cooking small meals. Solar ovens are fantastic for sunny days, reaching temperatures of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit to bake or slow cook food without any fuel. And of course, a traditional campfire offers a robust heat source for grilling, frying, or boiling larger quantities. For indoor cooking without electricity, safety and ventilation are key. A portable propane or butane stove is a quick and convenient option for preparing meals, but always ensure good airflow. Chafing dishes, powered by gel fuel, are perfect for keeping food warm or gently cooking smaller items. If you have a wood-burning stove, it can serve as an excellent heat source for both cooking and warming your home, providing a cozy and practical solution. Safety is paramount when cooking without electricity. Always ensure proper ventilation, especially when using propane, butane, or gel fuels indoors to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. It's wise to store a sufficient supply of your chosen fuels, whether it's propane tanks, seasoned firewood, or charcoal briquettes. Finally, always keep a fire extinguisher and a well-stocked first aid kit easily accessible. Being prepared ensures a safe and enjoyable off-grid cooking experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.